Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me on top of another hill. I think this is San Cristobal this time. And actually, and not what I just claimed it is. Look at the San Diego behind me, more city behind me. There's a mountain there that I think I took a video of either a day ago or 2 days ago. But yeah, oh, and of course, her. Right. You get the idea. I don't know. The tracking camera is really weird. But yeah, let's go. Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 26 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem and so forth. Here I am still in Santiago, Chile. As you maybe tell from the intro, though no drone video today because I think it's very illegal. I'm not gonna lie, my full disclosure is that it is Christmas here as of this recording, and I'm leaving for my flight in about 3 hours, 4 hours, and I haven't had pisco yet here in Chile, which is what it's known for. So I had TLDR, I drank a lot. So if I'm a little bit weird, well, let me know in the comments. If I'm not a little bit weird and I'm a lot of weird, also let me know in the comments, and we'll try to solve this problem anyway. But yeah, I had a good time in Chile. I had a good time in Santiago. I had a good time in San Pedro de Atacama. So it's been a very good time in general, and I'm honestly a little bit sad to be leaving. But you know, as they always say, it doesn't have to be goodbye. It can be a see you later. So hopefully that's the case. But for now, we will stick to the topic of solving this problem, which we have seen before. So I guess it really is a see you later. And that later is now. So let's get started. Today we have 2483 minimum penalty for a shop. Okay. So you have a zero index string customers consisting of characters N and Y. Okay. If the ith character is Y, it means that the customers come in the ith hour, whereas N means that no customer comes. Okay, I mean, that seems reasonable. I mean, I don't know. It seems like if you don't have... What? Why? Anyway, okay, whatever. I'm trying to like make a real life comparison to this, but maybe it's just Leetcode being weird. So we'll accept this and move on. If the shop closes at the jth hour, the penalty calculator is as follows. For every hour that when the shop is open and no customer come, the penalty increases by 1. For every hour that the shop is closed and some customer come, the penalty increases by 1. Within the earliest hour at which the shop must be closed to incur a minimal penalty. Okay. So this is like a very similar to like problems that we've done in before, where it's like you're trying to convert the first half to 0, you're trying to convert the second half to 1 or something in between, right? Because the penalty is just exactly the same, right? Which is that you have, I don't know, some numbers to the left of some stopping hour is some penalty, which is not matching Y's or N's, I forget which one, and then the same with the second half. And this is a problem that honestly, even on this channel, we've done like probably tens of times. Maybe 10 times, I don't know, because it's just a very I don't know, I just feel like I've done this a few times already. I mean, this one may be a little bit more unique, though. I mean, not that unique because we solved it already, right? So but definitely, yeah. Well, and of course you have to return the earliest hour, but that's fine. So here we just set things up real quick. Maybe how do we want to write this? Well, let's just say best is you go to penalty, so let's just call it infinity, right? The best penalty, and maybe a best I for best index, and that's just called -1, say. And then now we have so let's just say how do I'm struggling a little bit on only the naming of things, to be honest. I want to say like coast, I don't know, like let's just call it left penalty and right penalty, right? Left penalty is going to be 0 because there's nothing to the left, right? We start at, if you think about a sweep line, there's nothing to the left. So the left penalty is going to be 0. Right penalty is going to be so that means that we closed at before 0, or whatever, that means that all the y's, there's a penalty, right? Yeah, because we're closed at 0, so yeah, there's going to be customers that count of y or something like this, right? And then now that's it. And then now for C and customers, and of course maybe now we can just say, yeah, okay. So now we can say best is equal to right penalty and best I is equal to 0. So maybe we can just, obviously no point declaring it twice or infinity, so we can do this, right? So then now we move the closing hour to be the next customer, right? Something like that. So then now, if C is equal to Y, then now we move it to the open category. So then, well, we got this right penalty now subtracts 0.1, left penalty does not change, right? Else if, well, it's else really, because C can only be no otherwise. Then now, well, the right didn't have a penalty, but left penalty now is equal to 1, right? Or, well, increment by 1, sorry. And technically, to be more precise, even though maybe I sped up a little bit, this right penalty should be left penalty plus right penalty, but left penalty is 0. But for clarity, we'll just write it out, right? And then now, if left penalty plus right penalty is less than best, then best of I is equal to, oh man, I forgot that. Okay, fine. Right. Index plus 1, and best is equal to this, thing. And that's it, assuming you type correctly. Assuming that you type correctly. You just return best of I for the best index. And hopefully, yeah, we didn't, okay. Looks okay. Give a quick submit. Hopefully no silly edge case that I forgot. And that's it. That's all I have from here. That's all I have from Chile. Thanks for watching, everybody. Yeah, this is going to be linear time, linear time, constant space. This is something that we've done a bunch of times, honestly. And, well, I mean, if you're new to this channel, you're new to this channel, But I'm just saying that in general, it's a very common problem for some reason, phrased in a different way. How many times have I solved this? Oh, wow, I've solved this 3 times. I mean, technically, this is a double solve, but I didn't even remember this, to be honest. But, yeah, I mean, I thought it was cute. Maybe I thought it was cute the last 2 times, too. But that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good. Stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.